Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the micro USB charging port on a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 tablet. For this we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol and a rectangular brush with soft, flexible or medium hard bristles. Make sure it's not too hard, because otherwise it could scratch your phone's casing or frame. Besides that, if you need these items, you can buy them as a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have the option, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium, because otherwise you'll end up scratching your phone or tablet, and it'll be all scratched up. So the first thing we do is turn off the device. Never clean the device while it's turned on. So first we press the power button, the switch, and then select the power off option. We thoroughly moisten the toothbrush with isopropyl alcohol. We take the tablet in our hand. Here we have a micro USB port. We insert the toothbrush on one side, and starting from one side of the port as far in as it will go, slide it to the other side. And we make 10 or 15 such passes in one direction, so that the dirt moves through the port, shifts inside, and then finally comes out of the port, so that we have a clean and fully functioning port. That's why you need to make about 10 or 15 passes, just to make sure everything gets thoroughly cleaned. After those 10 or 15 passes in one direction, we insert the brush from the other side of the socket and perform the same motion in the opposite direction, so that we can clean the other part of the socket just as thoroughly and have the socket completely clean. If your socket is very dirty, you can repeat this operation 2 or 3 times in each direction, meaning 30 to 45 passes each way. That way the socket will be perfectly clean. If the socket isn't that dirty, then once in each direction, meaning 15 times each way, is completely sufficient. After the procedure, set the tablet aside for about 10 to 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and only after that time can you turn the tablet on and use it normally. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate likes, thumbs up, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.